Hello everyone, I am Katsuki, a student from Kyoto University in Japan. Today I would like to present my work on Khmer speech translation corpus of the extraordinary chambers in the courts of Cambodia, namely ECCC. First, I would like to introduce an ECCC. ECCC is an international court established to prosecute the senior leaders who committed crimes during the Khmer regime in Cambodia from 1975 to 1979. In this trial, there are three languages are conducted: Khmer, English, and French. In our work, we collect over 200 sessions of audio from the first trial that conducted from February to November of 2009. However, in this dataset, there are two main problems. The first one is the written style without word or sentence boundary in Khmer text. And the second one, the dataset has no time alignment between speech and text. We first start to solve the problem of alignment. In the traditional method or in the previous work, the source and target languages are usually in sentence base, which means that we have to prepare the sentence before the alignment. So the alignment can be formed into one-to-one, one-to-many, one-to-zero, and also many-to-one. However, in translation tasks, only one-to-one is useful. So other form or other alignment will be deleted from the database. In that, we propose a monotonic alignment which is suitable for simultaneous translation. And our proposed method, only source language is require the sentence base, which means that we only segment the sentence base of the source language. Here is our example of the sentence alignment from English to Khmer. The reason that we chose English as the source language because English is the rich resource language that has many supporting tools that is easy to segment into the sentence. So here's our example. We first prepare the sentence of English and then for Khmer text, because naturally this language has no space between words. So that's why we need to conduct the word tokenization to segment the text of Khmer into word base. And after some process, we can add the sentence boundary into the long text of Khmer language. So here's our example. We can generate the new sentence that is aligned to English by adding the boundary like this one. Another problem is the text-to-speech, because the dataset has no timestamp or time information. So that's why we first has the very long speech, for example, like 1 hour of speech and then some long text. And then we first generate the transcription and also timestamp of each sentence or each utterance. With this information, we can align with the original transcription and then we can prepare to the new sentence or new transcription that has timestamp that corresponding to the speech. And finally, we can produce a short utterance of the speech with its corresponding transcription. In overall, we have built the speech translation corpus from Khmer to English and from Khmer to French, about 155 hours of speech or over 1.7 million of words. In this dataset, there are many speakers, including judge, defendants, witness, officer, civil party, and so on. However, it has two main important parts. The first one is the 60% of speech is the original speech from the Khmer speaker. And the other 40% is the speech of the translator from the English and French speaker, including judges, lawyer, expert, and officer. So with using this dataset, we conduct an experiment on the transformer-based ASR models, and then we can see that by using the data augmentation, we can improve a large margin of word error rate. We also conduct an experiment on the translation model. The translation model from Khmer to English and Khmer to French. The translation from Khmer to English is better than from Khmer to French. This is because English was directly used as the source language in bilingual sentence alignment, whereas Khmer to French was indirectly alignment. Moreover, the performance of end-to-end speech translation is worse than the cascade ST because in general the translation speech and its transcription was non-monotonic alignment. We also evaluate the system of each speaker group, including witness, court prosecutor, civil party, and also judges. In that, the word error rate or the blue score of witness were worse than other speakers because the witness are the victims of the Khmer regime and Khmer illiterate, and also they cannot pronounce words correctly, and they are also disfluency and emotion in the speech during the trial. However, the performance of judges were better because the judges are well prepared for their speech. In conclusion, we have kept a large proportion of original corpus by using monotonic sentence alignment. And also this alignment requires only sentence segmentation of source language, which is useful for alignment from rich resource language to low resource language, or from rich resource language to no sentence boundary language. We also have built a large speech translation corpus of Khmer. They consist over 155 hours of speech in length, or 1.7 million in words from Khmer to English and Khmer to French. And the evaluation of ASR system, machine translation, and also speech translation will obtain the reasonable performance. So thank you.